In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the AC discharge hose from the AC condenser all the way down to the compressor on this Nissan Frontier with a 2.5 liter engine. Let's get started. In order to perform this job safely, you have to have the refrigerant evacuated from the system. So have a professional do that with a machine that is able to recover it safely. Then you can open the system up. On the driver's side of the AC condenser and radiator assembly, you'll see that this line is connected with a 12mm bolt. Remove that bolt so we can pull the line off the AC condenser. Wiggle the line and pull on it. If it's having a hard time coming out, but it is loose, there's a little bit of space, you can put a flathead screwdriver in right here and help pry it out. There we go. There was quite a bit of corrosion in there. Now, if you follow that AC line or hose, whatever you want to call it, it goes down to the compressor right down here, held on with a 12mm bolt on the other side as well. Let's disconnect that. Take this bolt out. Now you can wiggle the line off. Okay, grab the line, fold it, and pull it right up, and there it is. Now bring in your hose and reattach it to the AC compressor. Make sure that goes on all the way, and then line up the bolt hole and start in the mounting bolt. With the bolt bottomed out by hand, I'm going to put my tool on it, finish snugging it up. That feels nice and snug right there. I'll give it about 1/8 of a turn extra, and that is plenty. You don't want to break it. It's threading into an aluminum compressor, and as long as you have it nice and snug with a little bit extra, that's plenty tight right there. Take the line that comes from the AC compressor and line it up with the condenser, slide it on. Take that 12mm headed bolt and thread it back into its threads. That's bottomed out. Give it about 1/8 of a turn extra. That's plenty tight. Now with the repair done, have a professional recharge the AC system so that the right amount of refrigerant makes its way in. And with that, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.